Down in one. Down in one. Are you enjoying Detectable?
It is down in one. Too much dancing because it's gone down my jumper.
Oh yeah. Right.
Morning folks, morning. First day of Detectable. Just woke up, here I am, literally. This is my tent, in my pyjamas. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. I'll zoom across, be able to see Griff. Hey Griff. He's been sleeping in his tent, just there with Dad. Here's Lucy, who went out in her Geek Bleeps t-shirt yesterday, slept in it, and no doubt be wearing it the whole of the weekend. Isn't that fab? Look at that. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day as well. Hey Lucy, we made it. Do you know what, Lucy? I don't know about you, but I have never seen such a sea of camo in my life. Isn't it amazing? Everyone's got camo on. And a beard.
Yeah.
And a beard. So me and you, what do you think we need to do? Next time we come, yeah. That's it. That's it. Let's have a scoot round, see what we can see. Saying that, those guys haven't got camo. There's Dog, Griff, Henry, hey, Lulabelle, Right, I'm going to pan round. Woo!
What have you got then, Lucy?
I got a 66.
66 on the Simplex. Nice clear signal. I've just go with my Deus, and I've got a lovely signal as well. Dig it up. Okay.
Right, okay, grab that. It's gonna come out. It's not coming out. Got it. Hopefully it has battery.
Okay. We're out of battery.
I said hopefully it has battery. I think it's deep.
Do you have a listen? Big piece of lead. Oh, lovely signal as well. So that's your first official find at Detectable. Piece of lead. Stuff we find at home lots.
Yeah.
On to the next. Okay.
Detectable. Oh my god, it's amazing. But I haven't found anything, I have to say. But what I have learned is how to put this on properly.
Who told you?
So it was Dave from
Treasure.
Ed.
Treasure Ed.
Woo! He's an absolute legend.
The
Love
legend
you guys.
that is.
Love you. Love
Over
you,
there.
Dave. Where is he?
Who's over there talking with the guy in the green top?
Yeah.
So,
Mad.
best
So-
signal you've had all day.
Yeah, it is.
Come on then.
So
Show me what you got.
Let's have a look.
Show me your goodies. What does it say?
It's a bit cold for that.
He was wearing your pyjamas this morning though.
Right then.
Who comes to a festival and wears pyjamas?
You know me.
Yeah.
Right, still in the hole.
Still in the hole.
24, 22. Normally that for that it means some kind of minion. There we go.
Is it a piece of tin can?
It might be. I've already had some of that already. Normally. Right. Digby!
Digby!
Your turn! Your turn, Digby.
I won't repeat what she's just said. Because it,
You know, it's bleeps. It was bleep.
Yeah. Right, so what was it?
Well, I was right actually, because I said to you, didn't I? I reckon it's going to be
a tin can.
Yeah, and it is. It's a minion.
It's a minion.
It can minion off. That's what I reckon.
On to the next. Okay, next one for the bleeps.
It is. I can't even see where you did it. Where did we mark
It's just
it?
there.
Huh?
Just there.
Oh. No, I think
It's quite close to the surface.
Oh, that's a good guess, wasn't it?
Bit across. Bit across.
Hands coming up with some. Oh, meeting so many cool people.
Yeah, so
Oh, a happy family.
Dark Night Detectorists.
Happy detecting family. There. Right, okay.
Moves it again.
Ooga.
So,
Hang on. Oh, it's there. Oh, flipping heckers.
is it a square nail?
Aye.
It's an old square nail.
I've got one of those already, actually.
It's old.
And
It's an old nail, that is.
That's and lots of minion as well.
Yeah, old square nail.
Right, let's pop it in.
There we go.
What are we doing? Stick
Pop.
it in the box.
There we go. Fully rolling. Oh, you've done it. Right.
Yeah, it's on the surface anyway, isn't it?
Right. There we go.
So here we are, lunchtime, isn't it? Having some lunch back at base, and we haven't found much at all, have we, really, to be honest? But what we have found is lunch. And we're watching football, aren't we? We're watching Tottenham against Crystal Palace. It's on the big screen, I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, we were walking back, weren't we, to go and grab some lunch and have a bit of a toilet break. And Minelab popped by and gave us lunch, didn't they? Free lunch bag. So yeah, goodie bag. Woo! Thank you, Minelab. We love you guys. Lifesaver. So yeah, really nice. And then we were, I'll show you what's happening. Look, that's what it looks like. Watching football, and then over there is the Nokta Makro stand, and I don't know whether I can zoom in, I don't think I can actually, but over that way is Adam from Detects Sussex.
There.
He's just down behind there. Just been having a chat with him. He's such a nice chap. He's lovely, isn't he? You gave me some stickers, didn't you, Luce? Which was fab.
And he gave us a badge.
And so he was kind of, so we've got his badge with ours, haven't we? Just there, look. Doo-doo-doo. He's Mr. Super Cool. So to see him, and just pan round a little bit. There's people just coming back now to have lunch. There we go. And then there's where they record their finds. But we haven't found a great deal. But hey, we'll go back out after lunch, won't we? And see what there is. Right. Go eat.
Oh, who's here? We've got Geeky Bleeps. You're live on Detect Sussex.
Oh, fantastic.
How you doing?
Mouthful of Snicker bar as well.
I went to tell you guys earlier when I saw you. I absolutely love your logo.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
an absolutely fantastic logo. Can we show it off somehow? You got it? There we are. Fantastic. Check out that logo. Got the coils in the eyes. Absolutely love it.
And then we've got Griff Finds here as well. So
Hey, you got a logo? There we are.
And the badge, of course.
And the badge, of course.
Supporting you, so
Fantastic.
thank you.
Detect Sussex support all the way through.
Absolutely.
Sorry, Griff Finds, was it? Fantastic. Go and support him. I'll check if I'm probably subscribed to you. If not, I will subscribe to you later.
we enjoyed it here. It's great fun.
Loving it. Fantastic. Awesome stuff. Cheers, guys.
Hey folks, I'm here with Griff.
Yep.
We're in field number 1. Are we in field number 1?
Yeah.
Cool. So we've gone back, had a bit of lunch, and then first target.
I think everyone's had this now.
There we go.
Dad and me have had this.
Yeah. There we go.
So we're spotting here.
It's dinky, isn't it? Thanks, mate. So yeah, I'm dead chuffed. It's my first thing that I found. So there we go. Musket ball. So I think it's quite a
new one.
A newish one. It's not as big as the one you found though. It's yours is massive, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Fab. I'm chuffed with that.
Nice. It's a nice one actually.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, really happy with that. Right, well that's promising because we've only just got in this field. So I'm hoping.
Start making our way over to that side.
Yeah, I'll go over there, shall we? And see what else we can find. Right, now we're energised, ready to go. First target underway. Let's go. So not bad this afternoon. I had a bit of a barren spell and then I've just got this. Oh, Griff! I found a Griff. No, I'm only kidding. Well, I have found him, obviously, but where is it? He's sprinkling it. Oh, there it is, look.
You lucky son of a chicken. You've already had one of these. Can I steal it? Can I steal it?
No.
You've already had one of these.
I know. It's a 3-ring bullet. Let me just see.
Right, is it 2-ring?
Or is it 2-ring? If you hold it for me, then I'll get the camera on it.
2-ring.
Is it 2-ring, not 3-ring?
Yeah. Oh, 1, 2. Yeah, I think the ring means not the line, but the
What's
1, 2, and 3. One on the outside, one on the middle, one on.
Yeah, that's what I've had before. Nice.
2-ring bullet.
I like
Lucky
that.
thing.
Cool. Heavy, aren't they?
They need to be. It's like musket ball.
Yeah.
Steal.
Thank you.
We're thinking of heading to the furthest field,
That's nice.
which is close to the castle, but far away from any other people and out of the reach of any other people who want to go near.
So we've got a bit of a tactic going on.
Yeah.
A bit of a plan.
But we kind of got stuck at this field since of my role, eh?
Yeah, because you've got several coins, haven't you?
Yeah.
And doing really well.
Annabelle.
Yeah, and a beautiful bell. So we're having a great time, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to have a slurp of drink, bit of a refresh, and let's crack on. Okay. Oh, such a fantastic time. I've been out all day and my arms absolutely killing, feet killing, arms killing, knees are a bit sore, but you know what? It's bloody brilliant and I'm having a great time. Look at my view. Look at that. Isn't that great? There's Griff. Hey Griff! Giving us a wave. He's just found another coin. We have heard that somebody's found a Roman just in this particular field, right near the entrance, after kind of loads of people have walked past it. So it just shows you more to find. Anyway, I'm here. This is my target. It's my hole. And it's in here somewhere. So I'm hoping it's a coin ball, because I've not had a coin yet and I'd really like one. So it's about here. I always do this wrong. Pull it apart a bit. See what we've got. Not a great deal, it's looking like. I'm going to pause it there, come back to you. Okay, so that's it. That's what I found. I keep getting absolutely loads of these. I've got loads today. Obviously very old, but I must have about half a dozen I've picked up of these, and they come at a really promising signal. And I think, oh, what's it going to be? What's it going to be? And then that's it. Looks like some kind of very old nail type thing. Oh well. Okay folks, I've not done this for a little while. It's my digging deeper section, and this week it's this lovely annular buckle pin dated between 1200 to 1400 AD, which I found in field 1 and recorded with the FLO. I've been digging up quite a bit of trash and iron nails in this field and others, so I was getting a bit complacent and didn't actually record the footage at the time, unfortunately. But anyhow, here it is. Now this pin would have belonged to a fairly large medieval copper alloy circular buckle, which may be about 40mm or so in diameter, with no constriction for the pin. The pin is cast with a rounded point and subcircular cross section, and at the attachment end is a rear facing hook. Now I was reading up about these buckles,
and interestingly, they were occasionally found in graves of mostly monks, possibly because monks were buried in their habits versus lay people who tended to be buried in shrouds. Some research suggests that these types of buckles were used to fasten hose to a belt in a sort of suspender belt type arrangement. Hose, or plural hosen, describes various styles of men's clothing for the legs and lower body worn from the Middle Ages through to the 17th century. Other research, however, concludes that the hose were attached to a breech belt, medieval equivalent of underpants, by ties rather than by a buckled leather strap. So it would have been extremely uncomfortable. Yes, I think it probably would be as well. Ouch. Instead, the view was that they were used on a belt fastening of the monk's habit, although there is very, very little pictorial evidence of habits fastened by buckled belts. The presence of similar buckles in the mass graves in the Battle of Visby 1413-61 suggests they may also have been used to fasten armour. Annular buckles were common between 1250 to 1450 AD. So there we have it. My digging deeper is done on the annular buckle pin.
It is! Second go!
Get on it, never mind being kicked off it.
Right, second go! Come on, geeky bleeps, go! Stick closer. You might want to bend down.
Can you sit on like...
Keep going! Keep going!
Go on!
Keep going! Keep going! Woo! 16, well done! 16. Keep going as long as you can. One more. You're in a competition, come on.
17 to beat.
Hold on tight. You ready? You ready?
Keep going!
Oh! 15! Well done! Well done! No, she's done. Smile! Hey, so here we are, day 2 of Detectable. Wow, it's an amazing place. I absolutely love it. The people here that I met are just incredible. Made some really, really great friends. Not found a great deal, any of us have, to be fair. So let's have a scan around. Beautiful day here. Isn't that gorgeous? Just see all the people just winding themselves off to the new fields that have been opened. Way over there on that skyline. They've been opened up on the second day. Just panning around. So Lucy, just make out she's right at the end. I may get her to give you a wave. She's looking for something. Got Marcus over there. Beautiful day. So that's Marcus from Notched 11. Shout out to you, mate. Okay. So I've just found, let me see, can't see, so that's what I've just found at the bullet. Found one of those yesterday in this field too. Griff from Griff Finds. Really wanted to come back into this field. Got a good feeling about it. Plenty more to get. Off we go.
Okay folks, I'd like to say a big thank you to the following people who made Detectable so very, very special for me and my family. So first up, Gareth, the Dukes of Derbyshire, Ash, the Southern Searcher, Marcus at Notch to 11, Tom at Treasure Hunting with Tom, Paddy at Paddy Detects, John, the North Devon Detectorist, Luke at Anglo-Detecting, also Treasure Ed, Neil Jones, Robert Hunter Collinson, Jason the Dark Knight Detectorist, Jordan the Durham Metal Detector, and of course my very own son Henry, who is Griff Finds. Sorry if I've missed anyone. Now then, over to my finds. Okay folks, so these are all the things that we found at Detectorist. So as we can see, crikey Lucy, what a load of trash we actually managed to pick up. So lots of aluminium, and this is fun here. So one of the stubble fields managed to find a fossil on a rock. How cool is that? I like that a lot. And then over this side here, pot mend we think, couple of bullets, so there and there, shotty end, musket ball as well, just a little dinky one there. Gosh, how many of those? Roman
10.
Gosh, yeah, absolutely loads of those kind of irony Roman nails there. But this really is the star of the show. So talked about this earlier in the video and didn't realise at all what I had found until we got it recorded with the finds officer. So Lucy, do you want to just repeat what that is?
It's an annular buckle pin, 1200 to 400 AD.
Yeah, 1200 to 1400
Oh,
AD.
1400.
It's fantastic, isn't it? So absolutely love that. So that's it, folks. Thanks very much for watching. Detectorist was amazing and we made some wonderful new friends.
And we're ready for next year.
This is Geeker Bleeps.
Over and out.
That's a wrap then, Lucy. Let's go.
Let's go inside.